The district of Bellevue in Southfield, St. Elizabeth has been plunged into mourning following a double murder in the area last evening. This latest incident has increased to 6, the number of persons fatally shot in St. Elizabeth over the past week. Anthony Lugg has details.
A piece of black fabric tied to the grill of a supermarket in Bellevue District, Southfield, St. Elizabeth. It signifies the grief that has slumped over the community following the murder of 2 Asians, a man and a woman who operated the food store. Reports indicate that about 7:30 p.m. on Thursday, 3 men posing as customers entered the supermarket and proceeded to rob the operators. Shortly after, residents say they heard loud explosions.
I was at the bar, 4 of us with the bartender and like 5.
That's next door.
Just next door to the supermarket. And I heard 3 gunshots. And the bartender said, "What is that? What that sound like?" And I say, "You know, it's a gunshot that." And it sound like them lodge. And I step outside me and want to look at youth and I look at youth. Go down at the doorway, at the supermarket doorway. And the gunman drape him and haul him in the shop and me hear 1 more shot.
The police were alerted. When they arrived, the bodies were discovered with gunshot wounds. It's understood that the man died on the spot while the woman died at hospital.
Me traumatized. Me cry. I have been crying for the whole night because early morning they come here, whatsoever you want. If you not want me hitting, push it through the little hole they give you. True. Honestly. True. He was a very good man to us here. You understand? He really helped out the district. Honestly. And me feel this one, me traumatized this morning to know that he was murdered like that.
The residents say the incident has now left a stain on the district.
This local square, it's a lock down, ghost town. Things not gonna be the same like before. No. Not gonna be the same like before.